140 grams of frozen wild blueberries hitting a high-speed steel blade at 28,000 revolutions per minute. That is the sound of cellular walls shattering to release anthocyanins. The modern breakfast smoothie is often a sugar crash waiting to happen, disguised as health. Today, we are engineering a single-serving masterpiece that maximizes vitamin C, B12, and D, crushes inflammation, and delivers a velvety texture with bright citrus notes. We are breaking this down into 4 sub-recipes: the anti-inflammatory paste, the fortified base, the antioxidant core, and the fat emulsion.
Let us start with the anti-inflammatory fire. You cannot just throw raw turmeric into a blender. The body will not absorb it. Take 10 grams/0.35 ounces of fresh turmeric root and 5 grams/0.17 ounces of fresh ginger root. Peel and grate them finely. In a small skillet, heat 5 milliliters/1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil over medium-low heat to exactly 120 degrees Celsius/250 degrees Fahrenheit. Sauté the grated roots for exactly 2 minutes. This brief heat and the saturated fat activate the curcumin. Add 1 pinch of black pepper, then remove from heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. This paste is our functional foundation.
While the paste cools, we build the fortified liquid base to secure our B12 and D vitamins naturally. In a measuring jug, take 15 gram/0.5 ounce of fortified nutritional yeast. This provides 2.4 micrograms of B12, a full daily dose. Next, add 2 grams/0.07 ounce of UV-exposed shiitake mushroom powder, which yields 15 micrograms of vitamin D. Whisk these dry powders into 240 milliliter/1 cup of unsweetened oat milk, chilled to 4 degrees Celsius/39 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this mixture hydrate undisturbed for exactly 3 minutes. The brief resting phase ensures the powders dissolve completely, preventing any chalky residue in the final mouthfeel.
Now, we flood the glass with antioxidants and our bright citrus notes. Peel 1 whole Valencia orange, yielding approximately 130 grams/4.5 ounces of fruit, providing roughly 70 milligrams of vitamin C. Next, measure exactly 75 grams/2.6 ounces of frozen wild blueberries. They contain twice the antioxidants of cultivated berries. Finally, add 5 grams/0.17 ounces of freeze-dried camu camu powder, which pushes the vitamin C profile over 700% of your daily value. Keep the blueberries at -18 degrees Celsius/0 degrees Fahrenheit until the exact second of blending to preserve their cellular structure and keep the smoothie perfectly frosty.
Citrus and berries alone create a thin, icy liquid. To build a velvety emulsion, we require precise lipids. Measure 50 gram per 1.7 ounce of frozen Hass avocado. Then take 15 gram per 0.5 ounce of raw cashews. You must soak the cashews in boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 15 minutes, then drain them. This thermal softening allows the blender blades to shear the nuts into a microscopic paste, binding the water from the oat milk and the fat from the avocado. Without this exact 15-minute soak, the fat molecules separate and the texture becomes irreparably grainy.
Assembly sequence dictates the final texture. Step 1. Pour the 240 milliliters/1 cup of the chilled fortified oat milk base into the blender pitcher first. Step 2. Drop in the cooled turmeric ginger paste and the drained softened cashews. Step 3. Layer the 130 grams/4.5 ounces Valencia orange, the 50 grams/1.7 ounces avocado, and the 75 grams/2.6 ounces frozen blueberries on top. Blend on low speed for 30 seconds to engage the heavy items, then ramp to maximum speed for exactly 60 seconds. The friction will warm the liquid slightly to a perfectly drinkable 15 Celsius/59 Fahrenheit.
If your emulsion breaks or feels fibrous, your cashew soak was too brief or your blade RPM was insufficient. Always ensure the liquid enters the pitcher first to prevent cavitation. If the camu makes the citrus notes too sharp for your palate, you can blend in 5 gram/0.17 ounce of raw agave nectar. For a thicker spoonable smoothie bowl variation, reduce the oat milk base to 180 milliliters/0.75 cups and drop the final serving temperature to 2 degrees Celsius/35 degrees Fahrenheit by adding 60 grams/2 ounce of ice cubes during the final 15 seconds of the high-speed blend.
3 critical takeaways to elevate your morning routine. First, activate your anti-inflammatories by sautéing 10 grams/0.35 ounces of turmeric in coconut oil at 120 degrees Celsius/250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Second, secure your daily vitamins naturally by hydrating 15 grams/0.5 ounces of nutritional yeast and 2 grams/0.07 ounces of UV mushroom powder in your liquid base. Third, force a flawless emulsion by soaking 15 grams/0.5 ounces of cashews at 100 degrees Celsius/212 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes before blending. Master these steps and you never have to tolerate a mediocre smoothie again. Thank you, chefs.